Hey guys, wish you a very happy festive season. I hope all of you are enjoying your time truly. In today's session, I'm going to talk about LinkedIn, its importance, why you should have a profile on LinkedIn. And if you do not have one, I'm going to help you a little bit with how you can go about creating it. All right. So before I jump into the session, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you receive regular updates from me. You're going to be learning about LinkedIn, why it is important. If you do not have a profile, what are you really missing out on? And more reasons for, why you should also post content on LinkedIn, right? Although many of you would be already having a LinkedIn profile, most of us have a LinkedIn profile, right? If we are working professionals, or even students have LinkedIn profiles these days, right? But most of us are not creating content on a regular basis, right? So in this video, I'm going to talk about the importance of LinkedIn as a platform and the importance of creating content on LinkedIn on a regular basis, and what we really miss out on if we do not create content regularly. Okay. All right. So the first point is, why do you need a LinkedIn profile at the first place? Even today, despite LinkedIn being around for like more than, 12, 15 years, I started using it long time back, around the year 2009, 10. I remember I created a LinkedIn account and I started building on it very seriously. Although it might have existed before that as well. The point is, even today, many people do not, first of all, know what LinkedIn is, and they end up asking me, what is LinkedIn? So the thing is, guys, go to www.linkedin.com. LinkedIn is LINKEDIN.com, and create a profile for yourself. It's very simple, just like how you would create an email for yourself, how you would create a profile for yourself on Facebook or Twitter or Instagram. You just have to go and create a profile for yourself. The major difference between other social media platforms and LinkedIn is that LinkedIn is a professional network. That is, you literally have to kind of mention your entire career path, and it's a kind of an online resume for you. And originally this platform was built for recruiters, and now it is extensively used by sales professionals, marketers, recruiters, employers. You find business leaders, political leaders, chief ministers, prime ministers, presidents, literally everybody is out there on LinkedIn. And the major difference between LinkedIn and other social media platforms is that LinkedIn is more professional oriented, profession oriented. The kind of posts that people make over there are more ideas based. It is a thoughts based, thoughts oriented network, as compared to other social media platforms. If you look at Facebook, it is more of like, people posting their family pictures, or people also kind of, posting literally everything to do with their personal life over there, right? With their kids, the marriage pictures, the anniversary pictures, and all of that. If you look at Instagram, it's more like media and videos. Although yes, Instagram and Pinterest are extremely good for e-commerce, and many people are using it for business. When it comes to Twitter, it's more like the branding aspect. More number of lawyers, politicians, celebrities over there. Although celebrities are everywhere on Instagram as well as other platforms, but LinkedIn, as compared to LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter has more number of celebrities, which is kind of, it's a they are like micro branding platforms as much as micro blogging. So they are micro blogging platforms, and they are also used for micro branding. And the movement of posts is very, very fast. Right now, when it comes to LinkedIn, it's a more stable network. It is more thoughts based, ideas based, and you can say it's more intellect based. Although yes, the other platforms are also intellect based. They do have business pages and communities centered around ideas, and a group of people coming together. But LinkedIn is more much more focused on ideas and professional profiles. Why? Because it was originally built for recruiters. Okay. Now, the best part with LinkedIn is it offers you seamless networking, and most of the networking you can do for free. Although LinkedIn has an amazing, awesome premium feature, which has different things like sales navigator and recruiter platform and job seekers platform. But the free platform itself is so amazing that if you're not on LinkedIn, you've missed out on a major part of your professional growth. So LinkedIn is literally like a second home for people like me. I have been literally living, eating, breathing on LinkedIn. I'm so grateful, extremely grateful to that platform for having given me my, bread and butter today. Okay. Coming to the number of users as of today, as I think last week or so, I just saw the stats, and it was around 720 plus million professional users on LinkedIn. And it's consistently growing day by day as more number of people are getting into the digital platforms. Whether it's India or any other country, LinkedIn is consistently growing. And this number is definitely growing in number every single day. And 60 million plus companies with business pages are on LinkedIn. I'm sure the numbers would be more than this. So you can see literally every single company has a business page on LinkedIn, and they are all hiring, or they're like kind of establishing their business brands over there. They're posting, about their teams. They're posting about, their products, services. So the kind of role that LinkedIn plays for B2B as well as B2C is humongous. And if you do not have a LinkedIn profile, you're missing out on all of that. Okay. Now, coming to the point, right? There's always an option called advertising, which you can do on any social media platform, right? You can always spend money and post advertisements. Okay, but there's an easier method, and I would say it's easier because, especially because initially, if you don't want to spend money on ads, right? If you don't have the money to spend on ads, or if you're slightly afraid of spending money on ads, what do you really do? The best option would be to create posts, create content on LinkedIn on a daily basis, and that definitely will help you professionally more than posting content on other platforms. Why? Because LinkedIn is more profession focused, as compared to other platforms where it's more like entertainment value may be higher as compared to LinkedIn, right? So even today, the kind of entertainment related posts on LinkedIn are extremely restricted. And if somebody is nobody really wants to post entertainment related posts there. Why? Because everybody wants to seriously focus it on professional and thoughts based, ideas based content. Okay, so why you must post content on LinkedIn without fail? One, to stay in touch with your colleagues, right? So if you're someone who is already having a LinkedIn profile, and if you have not yet started creating content on LinkedIn, on your wall or on your publishing platform or in other places, it's high time you did that. And that includes me as well, guys. Okay, even I have not been doing it really well, but yes, from now onwards, I'm going to do it. Okay, so the point is why you must post content on LinkedIn without fail. One, to stay in touch with your colleagues, right? So sometimes, despite being in the same organization, we are not in touch with everybody. We don't even know about some of the colleagues, right? If the company has like 1,000 employees, obviously you wouldn't know all of them. So LinkedIn is a place where you can actually get to know your own colleagues, by the way. Okay, so if your company is offering an intranet kind of a platform, it's easier for you to know. If you do not know that, LinkedIn is a place where most of the people do have profiles, so you can stay in touch with your colleagues. And even after many years of quitting an organization and working somewhere else, you can get back in touch with them via LinkedIn. So it's a beautiful platform to do that. Second thing is to stay in touch with your subject matter, as it is an ideas based network. Your subject matter is going to matter forever, isn't it? Like, as long as you're going to be a working professional or not a student, as long as you're going to be a working professional or an entrepreneur or a coach or a consultant or whatever you are in the online space or in the non-online space, your subject matter is the most important thing, right? And you always want to learn more things, always want to grow knowledge wise, right? So LinkedIn also has a platform known as LinkedIn Learning, which also offers LinkedIn Learning. Even if you're not, even if you have not subscribed to LinkedIn Learning, LinkedIn as such is a platform wherein you can learn a lot by just creating content every day and liking and commenting on other people's posts. So like the LinkedIn publishing platform is literally an alternative for your own website or for your blogs, right? So in fact, the smart salespeople create funnels out of LinkedIn, and they actually sell their products effectively using LinkedIn alone. And with the support of things like LinkedIn automation and advertising, it becomes even more awesome, right? So although automation is not endorsed by LinkedIn, they do not recommend automation at all, but people who know how to use it, they are really killing it there. Okay, so to network with business leaders in your own niche, if not in other industries. So if you want to find somebody in your industry and you want to know about their achievements or about their career path or their education, LinkedIn is the place where you can actually find all of that. So as long as you're going to use all that information for constructive purposes, LinkedIn is really going to help you in, in really finding out all that information, and that can actually help you in actually collaborating with people in your same industry, or you can even collaborate with people outside of your industry. You can start new partnerships, new businesses. Startups can have their funds coming in through LinkedIn. And of course, Sales Navigator is excellent for B2B. LinkedIn Recruiter is excellent for recruiting and hiring via LinkedIn. Okay, so all of these features will be enhanced if you create content on LinkedIn. Why? Because creating content is going to help you improve your influence. So the more influence you generate on any social media platform, you can literally do wonders with it, isn't it? So wouldn't you agree that if you are like creating content on Facebook every single day for the next 30 days, right, you are definitely going to achieve more visibility, right, on the platform. So the same thing applies for LinkedIn as well. If you create some good intellectual, thought oriented, ideas oriented content on LinkedIn on a daily basis, it's going to get you much more traction, and organic traction, guys, okay, without really spending any money. So that's the best part about LinkedIn and LinkedIn content creation. That's why I am trying to establish a need for LinkedIn content creation here. Okay. All right. So now build a strong online branding for yourself as well as for your business. So nonetheless, if you're posting content on a regular basis on LinkedIn, needless to say, it is going to help you improve your branding, isn't it? So LinkedIn content creation is extremely important. So the first thing is have an amazing, awesome LinkedIn profile. Second thing is, start making making posts on LinkedIn, start writing content on LinkedIn, set up your LinkedIn publishing platform, and, set up your LinkedIn publishing profile, and, start blogging on LinkedIn as much as you would do on your website. And you can actually see a lot of magic happening. Now, okay, this is something I wanted to tell you. What are you suffering if you're not really using your LinkedIn profile to its highest potential? And I'm trying to say using LinkedIn to its highest potential, I primarily mean if you're not creating content on LinkedIn, what are you suffering from, basically? I mean, what are you really losing out on? Or what are you missing if you're not creating regular content on LinkedIn, or if you're not using the connections properly? If you're not using it for B2B or B2C, or for recruitment, or for hiring, or for, okay, recruitment, hiring, the same. Recruitment, hiring, or, for building your brand, what are you really missing out on? Okay, so you're literally suffering distraction, number one. Okay, distraction, because all the other social media platforms are going to distract you in some way or the other, because they are entertainment based, including YouTube, right? YouTube also has movies, it has, film, songs, it has literally everything on earth which can distract you away from your professional focus. So that's the first thing which I would say you may suffer if you're not really on LinkedIn. Okay, so as all other networks are personal nature, most of the times, LinkedIn is the only profile, is the only platform which offers you like 100% professionalism. Okay, although yes, recently in Corona times there have been like spammy posts on LinkedIn as well, but LinkedIn has one of the best algorithms to make sure that all of that is restricted. Okay, LinkedIn has an excellent algorithm to filter off all of that and remove all those distractions away for you. So that's the best part about LinkedIn. So if you're not on LinkedIn, you're suffering distraction. Second thing, right, you are missing out on opportunities. You're suffering missed opportunities. Okay, you're suffering from missed opportunities. Why missed opportunities? Because all the awesome leads you can generate for your business, okay, or all the job offers that you can land on, it's all there on LinkedIn, right? So LinkedIn has a jobs platform where jobs are being posted. So if you're looking at a job change and if you're not on LinkedIn, you can imagine what you're missing out on. Likewise for the opportunities, right, for your business, if you're not generating leads via LinkedIn, then where are you doing it from, essentially? Okay, you can do it from Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, no doubt. Again, it depends on the nature of your business, but to a great extent, if you're on LinkedIn, right, the quality of your leads is going to be extremely high if you're doing it the proper way. Okay, so what I mean by proper way, again, proper way is creating influence, surrounding yourself with people from your industry, with relevant people from whom you want to seek business and all of that. So primarily you are suffering from missed opportunities if you're not yet on LinkedIn, or if you're not yet creating content on LinkedIn. Third thing is lowered chances of being hired by the right employer, right? You're yourself lowering your chances of being hired by the right employer if you're not creating content on LinkedIn, isn't it, right? Because because if nobody knows you on LinkedIn, then, or if nobody knows you on any of the job sites for that matter, why would they approach you? Like, see, the science of job sites, of posting your resumes on job sites, is entirely different. On Naukri or Monster is entirely different, right? Because they use keywords and they'll promote you. They do have a featured option and all of that. But LinkedIn is a place where you're not just going to network with people, but you are yourself going to enhance your profile by writing, posting content, LinkedIn publishing. You're yourself going to go approach people via inbox and build that heart connect and relationship, right? So if you're not doing all of that, you're definitely lowering your own chances of being hired by the right employer. So that's one more thing you'll be suffering. And literally every company is hiring through LinkedIn today, right? I mean, every company wants to leverage on the awesome free, free platform that LinkedIn offers them. So despite the fact that, maybe smaller level companies may not really be having a jobs, a job section, okay, or they may not be posting jobs actively, but nonetheless, literally every company, small to medium level to corporates, they're all hiring through LinkedIn. So you will be suffering lower chances of being hired by the right employer. Now the next point, you will be suffering monetary stagnation, right? Why I'm saying monetary stagnation is, definitely you do have scope, to earn with platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Most of the e-commerce sales happens through that, and then if you run ads, it's like your sales just explodes, it goes crazy. But at some point or the other, okay, the qualitative stagnation can happen. You might want to focus on quality rather than just the quantity aspect of it. And when it comes to LinkedIn, the quality definitely is like a step higher than the other platforms. I'm telling this out of experience, because you can filter off all the spam to a great extent. The platform itself will filter off the spam for you, when you're trying to promote a product or a service. So professional deals that you can crack via LinkedIn is like simply awesome. And you can do it via Facebook and Twitter and Instagram. I'm not criticizing those platforms, okay? They have their own unique personas or unique benefits. But when it comes to LinkedIn, the kind of money you can make is at a different level. And B2B, specifically for B2B platform, like the Sales Navigator, is like simply something which which really gives you the opportunity to connect with like a wide array of people at literally, the pricing is also quite reasonable, and it's definitely worth it if you're like a, if you're a serious business, in your space. Okay, all right. So the next thing you suffer is professional loneliness, guys. Why do you always want to be on, I mean, you wouldn't always want to be surrounded by trolls, and you won't always want to be surrounded by your family members. And at some point or the other, you will want to network with professional people, isn't it, right? You may want to join networks like, for example, if I'm a human resource professional, I definitely want to go and join like HRD networks, right, across the country, or any network which has all the IIMs and IITs, and all the alumni from my university. So for all of this, LinkedIn offers an excellent space, because there are features like the LinkedIn groups, and then there's LinkedIn, for academicians, there's LinkedIn universities. Because everybody is specifying their education there, they have clustered it into different parts, and it's done so beautifully, on LinkedIn, that there is no other platform which can really replace that. And I have been like using LinkedIn like crazy from the past 10 years. Okay, so although I would say I have still not used it, to its highest potential, maybe if I rate myself on 100%, I have probably used it only to a 20%. Okay, but the kind of business that this platform has given me is absolutely outstanding. And for my personality, LinkedIn has been like the topmost, for me, as compared to all other social media platforms. LinkedIn is a platform that I resonate with, that I can align myself with, right? So if you think, guys, LinkedIn is a platform that you can align yourself with, if you think you resonate with this platform, then you have to seriously start focusing on that platform. And you have to also seriously consider creating content on that platform, which is going to help you in growing your business as well as your career. Okay, so now, because all these amazing reasons, okay, I'm doing a workshop, okay, which it's a 3 days workshop. And every month on month, the days are going to vary. So the details are mentioned below in the comments, in the description, okay, in the video description. Just go and check out the comments, whenever you're watching this video. The description will be updated according to the months, and according to the schedules. So what exactly does this workshop have? The day 0 is going to be the induction webinar. Okay, the day 1 is a 2-hour session on LinkedIn profile rewriting and optimization. Okay, those of you who do not know me, like, I have been writing LinkedIn profiles from many, many years now. I have written more than 1,000 LinkedIn profiles. I've written more than 1,000 LinkedIn profiles, apart from like more than 1,000 blogs and resumes. Okay, so, but for me, LinkedIn profile writing is definitely one of the topmost professions, and my passion. Okay, so I am going to be teaching literally every single thing that I do for my clients, okay, on day 1. And that is like LinkedIn profile rewriting and optimization. Okay, it's a 2 hours thing. It's a 2-hour session. So if at all you're like in the initial batches, you will be on a live session. If you're not, then you're going to obviously receive a recording. But nonetheless, these 2 hours are going to be extremely power packed, extremely power packed. And literally everything that I do for my clients, I'm going to be revealing that here. Okay, day 2 is 2 hours. Again, it's going to be on LinkedIn publishing. So those of you who know me, I have created like tons of content for clients across. Don't go and search for them on my websites. On my websites, you will find limited content, but I have done much more than what's visible out there. So the point is, I'm going to be talking about LinkedIn publishing, and how to write your LinkedIn article, why it's important, how to promote that, what is the purpose behind it, how you should be actually leveraging and making use of your LinkedIn publishing article to reach out to more number of people. Okay, day 3 is going to be LinkedIn posting, content creation for organic traction. Okay, now this is the real cream stuff, because this is going to happen on a daily basis, and I'm going to help you and guide you to do it on a daily basis. Okay, and my goal here for the day 3 thing is to get you into the habit of creating content on a daily basis, including myself. Okay, so even I myself have to get into that habit of doing it every single day in a very systematic way. So I have built a system for the day 3 session, and that's what it's going to be. And then I have a bonus webinar towards the end, which talks about the top LinkedIn tools for content creation and profile maintenance. I'll be demonstrating several tools that can be used by recruiters, sales professionals, by working professionals for assessing their profile, for generating leads, and for doing many things with LinkedIn. So the point is, it is primarily focused around content creation and profile maintenance, and how you can make use of many different LinkedIn features. So it's again going to be a full-fledged 2 hours webinar. It's a bonus webinar, and towards the end, I'll also be talking about the different programs that I do at Digital Entrepreneurship Academy. Okay, and giving you the option of joining some of my high ticket programs. Okay, so the big takeaway here is, once you finish up this day 0 to day 4 thing, right, you are literally going to create content for the next 30 days, wherein you will have my support and my guidance along the way. So I will be guiding you along the way for the next 30 days and getting you into the habit of creating content. So it's like a 30 days content creation challenge, which is included as a part of this. It is not going to be charged separately. Okay, that's the idea. So now, coming at the offer, right, I'm at present, whenever you're watching this video, I'm offering it at an 80% discount. Okay, and there are also additional bonuses. 5 professional LinkedIn profile writing templates for revamping your profile. Okay, these are templates that I have prepared, that I use for my clients. I use different kind of templates for my clients, and although there is no hard and fast rule, because I'm a creative person, I come up with different things for every different person for whom I'm writing it, but I've come up with proper systematic templates. So I'll give you 5 of my most awesome templates that you can use for any client, and I give you guarantee they will be impressed with you. Okay, if you do it properly, guys. At the end of the day, it's all about implementing whatever you're learning, right? So implementation, I leave it to you, but I will provide you with all the knowledge and the ideas that you require to become like a LinkedIn, like a proper LinkedIn profile writer. And if you want to revamp your own profile, obviously you'll definitely be able to do that, right? Now, additional bonus 2 is perfect LinkedIn blog article template. This is something I've done, like researched it thoroughly, thoroughly, and I'm going to give you this perfect LinkedIn blog article template which you can use even for your websites and for your blogs. Okay, so I've put together a lot of kind of, sales page writing, landing page writing, and your website blog writing, and keyword research, everything that goes into creating that perfect LinkedIn blog article. So again, guys, disclaimer: the success of what you write on LinkedIn is entirely dependent on how how sincerely you're promoting it. Okay, what is your intention of doing that? Okay, and also on how diligently you are doing it consistently. Okay, consistency is the key in the online process. The moment you stop doing something, okay, the visibility also stops. So that's the nature of digital platforms. So if you're really serious about getting into this workshop, be prepared. This workshop, or this entire program, okay, whenever you're watching this video, if you're really serious about this whole thing of LinkedIn profile, mastering LinkedIn profile writing and mastering LinkedIn content creation, you have to be very serious about it, and you have to promise yourself that you will actually follow my instructions and do what I'm asking you to do. Okay, all right. The third thing is top 50 tools, paid and unpaid list for LinkedIn recruitment oblique lead generation. Okay, so this is like, these are top 50 tools. There are like n number of tools for LinkedIn, and there are experts out there who are who would be kind of recommending multiple tools, but these are the top 50 tools that, in my opinion, is more than sufficient for LinkedIn content creation for recruiters or sales professionals or marketers, or whoever you are. Even if you are a working professional, this is always going to be very, very useful knowledge to you. Okay, so I'm offering it at an 80% discount. Here's the link: talentcanvas.biz/li content workshop. Right, so this link will take you to a page which is primarily for Indian users, right? And on the same link, there is also a PayPal link for international students who may want to join me at this. And absolutely, it's at an 80% discount for a very limited time. So I don't know when you're going to be watching this video and when you're going to be buying this. If at all, you're watching it at the right time, you may end up getting even a bigger discount. It entirely depends, but all the bonuses are included along the way, and this is like a complete journey. It's like a complete adventure journey on LinkedIn, and I guarantee you will really enjoy this journey, if you're just with me on this, diligently. Okay, and if you do wish to join other programs of Digital Entrepreneurship Academy, just visit the links below. Join the public groups at DEA. Okay, there is a Facebook public group, there is a Telegram public group. Join those groups, right? Stay updated with whatever goes on here. I also do my weekly webinars, so the links are all provided below in the description. Go and make sure you're attending that. Watch all the videos on this YouTube channel. Make sure you're subscribed to this channel. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to this channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, just give me a small heart and the love for creating this video. And if you have any inquiries, if you have any doubts, just get in touch with me on asknanz.com. Okay, asknanz.com, www.asknanz.com, and that will take you to my Facebook page, wherein you can just get in touch with me straight away, and I'll be really happy to answer all your questions. Okay, and go through the description below. There are all the links are provided here, and you can just go, and whatever is your query, get in touch with me. I truly look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for all the love and affection. There are so many of you who message me on a daily basis, ask me different questions, make different requests. So I'm progressing slowly, and thanks to all of you for really encouraging me on this journey to create some awesome content out here. All right, so guys, catch up with you once again. Wishing you a wonderful festive season. All right, okay, take care. Bye bye.